Hello and welcome. In my previous video you have seen some hand launches of this big glider into the thermal from the ground perspective. If you have missed the video, click now on the information box in the right top corner. In this video you will see some hand launches into the thermal, how to gain height in the thermal, and also a short aerobatic sequence from a ground perspective and mainly from a cockpit perspective, or also called FPV. The camera that was mounted on the plane decreased the performance quite significant, but it was still possible to catch some thermal. But more will follow after the intro. Just at the beginning, a short promotion. I've created a Facebook group and an Instagram profile where you can see my latest projects, pictures from seaplanes and much more. In the description is a link to them, so feel free to join them. And I have a lot of nice video projects in the making for this YouTube channel at the moment. If you don't want to miss them, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Here you see now the flight from a pilot's perspective on the ground. This perspective will be integrated to the cockpit perspective in the top left corner of this video. The whole flying video was made with two GoPro action cameras. That's the reason why the video quality is not that nice compared to my other videos. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section down below. The model in this video is a Explorer Big Flap from Land Models. As always, more information about the model can be found in the video description. At the end of this video you will see some close-up shots from the airplane and a really nice picture that illustrates the size of this glider, because in the air it doesn't look that huge. But now I don't want to disturb you any longer and wish you lots of fun watching this video. Now we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching it, I would appreciate if you gonna hit the like button. And now I wish you a nice day and see you next time.